Hey guys, this is Nick from Nexus Property Management Worcester. Just coming today to show you this new apartment that we have for rent right now. This is 55 Vernon Street, Unit 2 in Worcester. And this is a 3-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 2nd floor. So right off of Vernon Street, lots of light coming into this place from every bedroom in every direction. There's the front door right there. And then once you come in, this is the first bedroom right here. So a couple outlets along the baseboards. You turn around, the closet over there. Nice space in here. This is probably the brightest bedroom out of all of them. And it might be the biggest as well. Then you come in here. This is the living room. You got the gas parlor heater in there. Super clean in here. I really like the condition of the floors. Owner did a great job getting everything clean. Over here, this is the 2nd bedroom. So bigger closet than the first one. I'd say maybe a little roughly the same space, except the other one obviously has the dome where it curves out. So you get a little bit more from that. Then you come in here to the kitchen. So pretty standard over here. So you got these bathroom items. The shower head right there, medicine cabinet along with the tile flooring. Over here you got the stainless steel sink bin with the spray nozzle, and it's adjustable as well. All these cabinets are new and they feel really nice when you pull them out. And that extends over there so as well. So new appliances, new cabinets, flooring is in great condition. Paint on the walls is also in a really good condition too. So there's the stove with the fan and the range hood. Then you walk over here into the laundry room. So this is strictly a laundry room. It's got the washer and dryer hookups right here. So as you can see, washer over there on the right and the dryer over there on the left. So you can do laundry in a separate room. And then over here, mudroom to the left, and to the right you have the 3rd bedroom. So you have a closet. And yeah, that was 55 Vernon Street, Unit 2, the 3-bed, 1-bath on the 2nd floor. And this has been Nick from Nexus Property Management, Worcester.